Here is Cyber, 911, Plate 93, checking post and 5, trying to call me Melton. You want to know when else your family's lifeline won't be allowed to work. Whatever you get when you don't get me, post. Time, date, number dialed, just one. Oh, get that in your video. Just one 911 Plate 93 check call in a dozen years. No mail about the 93 checks or any of my imagery or videos. Use that GPS thing to find America's stolen mail warehouses where they destroy our mail. More likely. Melton, full name John Melton Brady, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, apartment 409, Los Angeles, California 90065. And yes, I am the skyscraper, son of a carpenter, Mary, the lightning bolt lord. Make that video your stolen call to me, then come see me in person to tell me what you think of my plans to build the Lord's house. And what do we need in those places to inspire the future and the present to greatness?